Let's compare the GRWM Daily Skin Tint in the shade Rose Beige with the Easy Active Skin Tint in the shade Fawn. So, this side, meron na siyang skin tint. Nalagyan ko na yan with the shade Rose Beige. And this is without. So, makikita nyo yung ating mga redness and everything. Easy Active Skin Stick. Konti na lang yan. So, let's blend it with the brush. Nabara ko na to. So, kung makikita nyo, ito lang yung may GRWM na skin tint. So, this is the Easy Active Skin Stick in the shade Fawn. So, itong side yan. Yung may active skin. This is with Easy Active Skin Stick in the shade Fawn. This side is with the GRWM Daily Skin Tint in the shade Rose Beige. So, ito, para silang shade match sa akin pag applied sa skin. So, yeah. This is this side with GRWM Daily Skin Tint, and this is with Easy Active Skin Stick in the shade Fawn. So, ikaw, anong shade